My name is Kalpana. Welcome to my channel Table for One. Today we'll be doing soupy pasta. It will not take much time, just 10 minutes. This recipe is for people who are short of time and are very hungry and they want to make something quickly and eat. So let's start. So today it's a very easy recipe. When you're tired and you're having lot of work but you're hungry and you don't know what to make, you can make this soupy pasta. To show you, I'll be doing two varieties of soupy pasta, and here I have taken Knorr soups. Any other soups of your choice or brand you can take. I have taken tomato and sweet corn that was there at home, so I'm taking these two. You first have to read the instructions given behind the packet and accordingly I have to make the soup. Here it says 4 teacups of water, so I have taken 4 teacups of water first in a vessel or in a saucepan. I have also taken macaroni and penne varieties of pastas to make this soup. You can use any other varieties also. So, shall we start? I have taken 4 teacups of water and I have kept it for boiling. So, this has to boil first. Once the water starts boiling, we will add the ingredients from the packet. Now, can you see the water is boiling? I am going to add the ingredients from one of the packets. That is the sweet corn soup. Give a nice stir. Let it boil. See to that there is no lumps formed in the soup, otherwise it won't taste nice. Once all the ingredients are dissolved and there are no lumps, add the pasta when it starts boiling. Let the contents boil well. Now the water in the other saucepan also is boiling. I am adding thick tomato soup. Mix the content well as we had done with the corn soup. Once the ingredients get mixed up well and dissolve well in the water, add the pasta. Let it boil. Now the pastas are getting cooked and also the soup is thickening. So you have to keep stirring once in a while so that the pasta does not stick to the bottom of the pan. So I'm just going to stir it. Adjust the salt, or even you can add some herbs or some butter for this soupy pasta. Today I am not adding anything. So if you want, you can add. See, when we make pastas, first we boil and then we add the sauce, isn't it? A tip for you today. Sometimes due to emergency, you may not have ingredients at home to prepare a meal. So it's always better to keep a packet of soup and a packet of pasta ready for such emergencies. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for notification. Please follow me on my Instagram page for more updates. The link is given in the description box.